most of the time that I spent was in a camp over 2 years in Egypt, a camp in the desert between Cairo and Alexandria, which was a huge ammunition depot where all of the surplus ammunition that was left in the Middle East by Germans, by Italians, and the British ammunition was collected. And I got there in 1944, and I was there until 1946 when the war had ended. And our job was to demolish the ammunition, to get rid of it. So every day at 2 o'clock, we had lots of German prisoners of war, Italian prisoners of war, who were the people who loaded up the trucks. At one time, when we didn't have enough prisoners of war, they hired Egyptian work gangs, and we piled up huge piles of ammunition. At 2 o'clock, they were set off in an ammunition which you could feel the ground shaking 60 kilometers away in Cairo. Every time when I was on leave for weekends in Cairo, I knew at 2 o'clock the shaking, and nobody else knew what it was.